So my name is Jade and I'm the Apprentice Training Administrator in the Practice Development Team for Powys County Council. So following sixth form I was kind of just unsure. I took a year off just to kind of work out what I wanted to do, and then I saw this on, I think it was a Facebook post, and I kind of thought apprenticeship, what I'd probably want to do is say going to uni and maybe something that I wasn't sure on doing forever, and then I applied and got the job, and it's been, to be fair, a really good experience so far. I think I like learning whilst I'm doing my actual job, whereas I feel like other routes you're learning and you don't really get to know the job until you've qualified type of thing. It just feels a bit like natural because it's work-based learning. It doesn't feel like you're doing you've got too much going on. It's all kind of one workload. I think it's definitely benefited my digital literacy skills. I think it's helped me communicate better with different people who aren't necessarily in your organisation who you work with every single day. I think it's just allowed me to push myself a bit more for things that maybe I'd kind of steer away from, just being a bit too anxious to try, if that makes sense. I just think that the council's a really great place to work, to be honest. There's so many opportunities that I didn't realise I could have coming into the role. It's such a good route for maybe people who aren't completely sure but they feel like they'd enjoy that area of work. I think it surprised me how much I like it. I think I was a bit apprehensive about whether it was for me, but I feel like, yeah, it's definitely a strength now.